Hi friends, welcome. Today we see how they fill Indian Railways reservation and cancellation requisition form. Now we see the general instruction of the reservation form. Number 1. If you are a medical practitioner, please tick in the box. Could you be help in the emergency? Number 2. If you are a pregnant woman and want to get birth in quota, please tick. Please submit certificate registered doctor. Next, if you want to senior citizen concession, please write yes or no in the box. If yes, please carry a proof of age during the journey up to avoid inconvenience of panel charging under extant railway rules. Next, if you want to give up senior citizen concession, please indicate the element of concessional amount you want to give up, 50% or 100%. Next, do you want to be upgraded without any extra charge? Write yes, no in the box. If this position is not accessed full for paying, passengers may be upgraded automatically. Next, if you want to get shifted to alternative train and Vikalp scheme, please write yes or no in the box. Only waiting list tickets. Next, if you are traveling in 3AC class of Garib Rath Express train or in sleeper class of Duronto Express train, do you want to be bedroll in train? Write yes or no in the box. Now we write how to fill the railway reservation form. Number 1. Train number and name. Just before write the train number and name, look, train number 02295 Sangamitra Express. Next, date of journey. I am traveling to July 5, 2021. Next, class sleeper. Second class air sleeper. Number of seats berth single one. I am traveling single man. Next, station from. I am traveling to Jolarpet. To Perambur. Next, boarding a seat same Jolarpet. Reservation up to Guwahati. Mobile number of passengers traveling 8778936526. Next, serial number 123456. If you want to traveling a party or a family members, write particularly in the details of their individual serial or the age and other details. I am traveling myself. Write my name. Or nationality Hindu. Male. Gender male. Age 38. Concern children not. I am traveling lower berth. If you are traveling to Rajdhani or Sadapti, take vegetarian and non-vegetarian box. I am not traveling that. I am single traveling, so I cut this other columns. Next, children below 5 years per whom ticket is not to be said. If you are a family member, you have children below 5 years, you have not taken to ticket. They are free to government traveling charge. So I cut this absence. Next, onward return journey details. Next, I am traveling to Perambur to Guwahati. Train number 1250 Orno Express. Date of journey July 6, 2021. Date class sleeper or second. Station from Perambur. To Guwahati. Next, name of the applicant or personal details. Name of applicant R. Kumar. Krishnagiri district. TN. Aadhaar number 655020. Next, telephone number 877893646526. Date, today's date, 25/6/2021. Time 12:00 hours. Don't forget to write your signature. I am writing my signature. For official use only. Below for official use only. Okay, I believe I filling the form is actually right. This is to help you something. Again, I review how to write a cancellation form. Reservation form, if you tick reservation form. Cancellation form is the same as it is, the same date of traveling, same time, same date, but you only change the time, signature, date, this date change. I am point out this date change only. That is the cancellation ticket, and right tick the cancellation form. Thank you.